Hi everybody, welcome to Live with Chaudhry. It's day 3 here at ASMS and I'm in the Bruker Daltonics Hospitality Suite and I'm delighted to be joined by Marcello Stein, who is from PreOmics. And Marcello actually did an interview with me this time last year at ASMS Houston. So we're going to get an update on what's been happening with PreOmics and what they're showcasing this week at ASMS 2024. So first of all, Marcello, buongiorno, how are you?
I'm good, thank you very much. Good to see you again, Richwan. ASMS is fantastic, interesting people, interesting science, so all is good.
Fantastic. Now, as I said, I actually saw you this time last year, so I'm sure a lot's happened since we last spoke. But before we talk about that, for viewers who are not familiar with PreOmics, can you give us a quick overview of who you are and what you do?
Absolutely delighted to do so. So PreOmics is a relatively new company based in Germany, and we are experts in proteomic sample preparation. So preparing samples to make them ready for mass spectrometry analysis. We are currently working together with Bruker, meaning that we are part of the Bruker expanded universe, the proteomics ecosystem.
Fantastic. Now this week at ASMS, what are you specifically talking to delegates about and showcasing?
So, as you remember last year, we introduced our new ENRICH-iST kit, which is a fantastic plasma sample preparation kit. And this kit was extremely successful. And this year, we are expanding our plasma analysis or plasma sample prep platform with the new ENRICH+ kit. So this would be definitely the highlight that we have to present at this year's ASMS.
Fantastic. Now, we're talking off camera and you were mentioning that plasma has become, or plasma analysis has become far more important. So why is that?
So plasma is kind of the holy grail of the liquid biopsies. It basically contains a cross-section of all cellular processes and molecules in the body, giving you a deep information about a patient's health and disease status and treatment status, for example. And it's also an easily accessible sample. However, the information is actually quite hidden. So the very small and low abundant proteins that you actually want to see, for example, in the context of biomarker discovery, are covered up by a few high abundant proteins. And years ago, people knew the information was there, but it was actually difficult to access.
Right.
Now this has changed with fantastic systems like the Bruker timsTOF with the high sensitivity, but also CRO services and software by diagnosis, and of course our own sample preparation. This information now finally has been able to be accessed in an efficient way.
That's brilliant. Now, what makes what you do and your solutions unique and different to others in the market? So basically, why should people work with you and use your products?
So as ENRICH-iST last year, also ENRICH+ utilizes a so-called enrichment step with our unique enrichment technology. Basically, the low abundant proteins are bound or enriched on magnetic particles and are then better accessible for the subsequent analysis. These kits not only do enrich low abundant proteins, but also contain every step that you need to prepare then your sample to get ready to inject peptides afterwards. With that, both with ENRICH-iST but also with ENRICH+, you get a deeper access to the plasma proteome, boosting the protein identifications, in the case of ENRICH+, for example, up to 7 times. And this really gives you the information that you need in your biomarker research.
Fantastic. Well, Marcello, it's lovely to see you again this year. You're looking fantastic. So it's good to see you've had a good year. I hope you have a fantastic ASMS for the rest of the week. So viewers, if you'd like to learn more, come and talk to Marcello and the rest of the team at PreOmics. They're here in the Bruker Hospitality Suite, but they're also on the show floor as well. And obviously, if you're not here at ASMS, then you can go to their LinkedIn page and visit them on their website and learn more as well.
Absolutely. I can only second this, so please come and visit us either at booth 308 or simply visit our website to get an exclusive early access to ENRICH+, which is an affordable, automatable, high throughput plasma sample preparation with retained quantitative precision.
That's fantastic, Marcello. Well, thank you very much. So viewers, if you want to know more about Marcello, check out the stand, the Hospitality Suite, or the website and LinkedIn page. So Marcello, until next time, as always, to you and to the viewers, stay well and stay safe. Bye-bye.
Thank you. Bye-bye.